We are Viega. We install warmth, well-being, and a sense of security. We install and hey! We install health and responsibility, safety and reliability. We install new ideas, expertise, and innovation. We install partnership, understanding, and going the extra mile. We install progress, sustainability, and a future that will inspire us. Without us, all of this would just be empty shells, structures with no pulse, with no life. We install the building blocks of life and turn spaces into living rooms. Worldwide, anywhere and everywhere. Yeah, we install more than piping systems. We install the lifelines for the buildings of tomorrow. We are Viega.